Hey, what's up you guys, it's your girl Nicole, and today I'm here with another video. Today's video is going to be on this 360 lace front wig that I got from Vallbest hair. It is a 360 wig, like I said like 20 times. The wig is 24 inches and it is in the straight texture, and this is like my first time trying a ponytail with a 360 wig. So that's what I'm going to be doing today with this hair. I really like the texture of the hair, like I'm feeling it right now as we speak, and it's very, soft. It's not too thick and too obnoxious. Another thing that I really like about this wig in particular is that it's not super thick. It is more so of a lesser density. I'm thinking maybe like a 130 150 density. I'll be sure to leave that correct information down below. But for the 360 wig, the reason why you would get a 360 is because you do want to put it in a ponytail, and that's what is working for me. You don't want a thick ponytail. Another thing I have to say is the lace was pretty easy to camouflage and to lay down. I didn't even use a blow dryer, but I think that's part of the reason why this glue is so bomb. This is the Even New York glue, and I used the one in red. They have a black and a yellow one, and I really like the red one. So as you can see, I'm just laying that down, and then I'm gonna make baby hairs and lay them down as well. There's not really much more for me to say. I do really want to express though that this is gonna be like my quick go-to wig that I can wear, throw a little headband on the hairline if I don't have time to lay it down like you see me doing now, but to get up and go if I need to go to the airport, if I need to go to the store real quick. This is that type of wig. So you guys are gonna see this wig more often. Like I was wearing it on live today, and you guys are like, oh, I like the ponytail. I wish it was a little bit longer, but you gotta make do with what you got. So I'll leave everything down in the description box below, and I hope you guys really enjoy this video, and I will see you in the next one. All right, love you. Mwah. Peace.
You've been out here playing these games while I've been out here holding it down. You haven't been acting the same, acting mad funny when I come around. You said you'd be here forever, boy, you just gave me the run around. I put so much time and effort, now I'ma need you to do better, yeah. Cause I was in love, so much in love, yeah. Everything I did, it wasn't enough, no. All the sleepless nights that I stayed up on the phone, and when I wasn't around, I swear you was entertaining all these hoes. And now I'm sitting here all alone. You keep texting and calling, I'm not gonna pick up the phone, no. Cause baby, I'ma need you to do better. I thought that you would need me, I thought you would have stayed, I thought you'd be there for me, but you chose to walk away. You promised me forever, forever ain't a thing. I thought that you would need me, I thought you would have stayed, I thought you'd be there for me, but you chose to walk away. You promised me forever, forever ain't a thing. You broke me, you hurt me, you said that you love me, I'm not gonna cry no more. I'm stacking my money, you stay moving funny, now nigga you gotta go. Cause you full of shit and you ain't legit, no. I'm so over it, I'm happy you dipped. You did me wrong, but I stayed strong, I'm about to glow up on you. What goes around comes back around, now nigga what you gon' do? Cause baby, you charged up and now I'm blessed up. I got my racks up and now I'm counting up. You can't catch up and now I'm laughing up. Pull up in the Benz, yeah, I'm about to bust down on his friend. Yeah, all this shit ain't for pretend. No, you play me and now that shit dead. Yeah, you thought I'd never leave you. You thought that